Listen. When you see me do the right, I'm just trying to be more like him. Be more like him. Well. Yeah. Got to love my enemies. What's not right, please take it out of me. I wanna be more like you, hey, just like you. I wanna tell the world today that I am living to be more like you, Jesus. You can lift your hands and tell the world I'm living to be more like you, Jesus. If we got to get out of here, y'all, but listen, I wanna be more. I wanna be more like you, Jesus. Yeah. Ooh, I wanna be. Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. Lord, it's the Better Right remix. Whoa, listen. Tonight is the night that you make me over. Yeah. You said you'll do it for me, and I know you will. Oh, listen, y'all. I'm living and praying for you to step right in. I'm trying so hard down here, Lord, to do your will. Yeah, I wanna do your will. 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 Oh, I wanna do your will. Praise Solid will sing it like this. I wanna do your will. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I am Miss Lovely, back with another video. If you are new to the channel, should you like the essence of today's video, go ahead and consider yourself to subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing. If you are an oldie but a goodie, put it in the comments. Not now, but right now, oldie but a goodie. Get her.
Come on, let's go. Let's up. Hurry up, come on.
And in today's video, as you guys can see, Gucci. You guys, as you guys can see, look what we have here. All right, so as you guys previously saw from the previous clip, I did do a formal unboxing on my TikTok. So if y'all wanna follow me on TikTok, you should. But if you're not, then go follow me on TikTok. I'll leave my handle on the bottom of the screen, because you can kind of keep up with what's going on a little bit day to day, of what's going on with me. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give a big shout out to my friends over at Tech Hubs. They have been so kind enough to send your girl over some goods. Well, a nice purchase, a nice bag, shall I say. All right, so as you guys can see, it came in a very discreet type of package, the way it was packaged. It was very secure, so shout out to them for that. So let's go ahead and get into the bag, because I'm so excited. I know y'all excited. You can't wait. You just can't wait, girl. Stop talking. Let's just get into the bag. Okay. So it came with this bag, of course. Okay. And then it comes in this box like so. And it's, of course, magneted. All right. So, and within the box, it came with the papers. Of course, we're official here, okay? Just in case of the man stopping, you got your papers and stuff like that, you know? Then, of course, it came with the the Gucci ribbon, of course, if you wanted to gift this to anyone. And then, of course, it's in this bag, dust bag, like so. Ooh, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna sit back there. You guys can see that. All right, so it came in this dust bag like so, and it was really, really packaged well, you guys. I was very pleased with that. As you guys, like I said, as you guys saw in the previous clip. So it came in this duster, and I had actually seen this bag some time ago, and I had really, really wanted it, but I was like, I wasn't really wanting to drop them kind of coins on the bag. However, so my good friends reached out to me, and when I saw this, I was like, oh, manifesting things that I already had on my vision board, okay? Amazing how God works, y'all. But anyway, so let's go ahead and pull her out because she is a beauty. Are you guys ready? Put in the comments, say ready. I'm waiting. Say ready. Oh, look at her. She is a beauty. Isn't she gorgeous, you guys? She is a gorgeous bag. The leather on here is top notch. As you guys see, it has feet at the bottom. I can definitely appreciate a bag that has feet on the bottom. Feet on the bottom, top tier. Perfect. The leather, it smells so divine, okay? It smells divine. Then it has gold hardware, as you guys can see. It has the bamboo straps, the double straps, like so. So I guess it's the double handle, should I say. Beautiful. Do you guys see this? Let's just look at this real quick. Do you guys see that? When I say beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love it. So on the inside of the packet, on the inside of the bag, it's a medium, a little, what is this, security type thing right here, and it just snaps like so. Snap like that. So therefore, you know, if the bag was to tumble over for some reason, my stuff wouldn't just fall out the bag. So it does have that snap there. And then, of course, it comes with the crossbody strap like so, which it also has the Gucci print up here. As you guys can see that. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but as you guys can see, it does have the Gucci print on the buckle itself. And then, of course, the strap is adjustable. All right. Within the bag, it did come with 2 additional straps. Now, I was kind of contemplating, or I was trying to debate if I wanted to add these 2 straps to the actual handles, but these are what the straps look like. So these are straps on top of the straps. I don't really know the proper name for them, but you guys can see that. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. And then on the back of those right here, it has the word Gucci on it, okay? So let me show you guys exactly how these go on here. So you can place them down like this to give the bag a little more character, and then it'll have buckles on the actual straps just to give the bag, just to give the bag more character. As you guys can see that, it just looks like that. Okay. Same thing on that side as well. The name of this bag, I'll put it on across the screen so you guys can see the official name for the bag. The bag goes for, and I'll put the price right here on the bottom of the screen to tell you exactly the price is what it's going for. You guys use my discount code and run. Don't walk, but run to their website. Use my discount code so you can get you some luxury as well. Luxury, okay? I don't know if you guys watched a few vlogs ago whenever I was talking about my word of 2023. My first word was intentional and my second word was luxury. This is luxury at its finest, okay, you guys? Shout out again to my friends over at
Tote Hubs
for sending this beauty over to me, you guys. When I say this is gorgeous, I cannot wait to add her to my collection. I'm kind of debating if I want to still leave the straps on the handles like this or if I want to take them off. I don't really know just yet. Haven't really decided, but I'm gonna just remove them right now for the sake of the video, just in case, because I've got to tighten them up a little bit. So I'm gonna take them off for right now. Let's get inside the bag. Within the bag, it has a lot of room. It did come with the foam, so it can kind of hold its shape, which I can definitely appreciate. So it came with a little foam, you know, just to hold its shape or what have you. But look on the inside, you guys. It does come with a slot right here. A slot where you can actually put your phone down here. You know, whatever you may need. But the slot is right here. And it's very, the material inside of the bag, it's very, very like that twill type of material, like that twill material. You can tell it's like a really, really nice bag. Luxury, okay? Luxury. But the tag right here, it says Gucci on it. And this is enough space, perfect for a lot of stuff to go in here, okay? And I cannot wait to switch out my purse. And I'll probably do a what's in my bag later on. But thank you again to
Tote Hubs
for sponsoring today's video. Like I said, you guys, y'all run. Don't walk, but run over to the website. Put in my discount code, which I will leave it on the screen again. Use my discount code and get you some luxury goods. They have other things to choose from. They have this, they've got Dior, they've got other high-end luxury brands at an affordable price. We are bougie over here. We're bougie, but we're on a budget, okay? We don't have to break the bank to look good. We don't have to know how much we pay for our bags, okay? When we're gonna walk in the room, we're gonna walk in the room with grace, okay? We're gonna walk in the room demanding our presence be known because, honey, we got luxury at an affordable price. Yes. So this is, let me stand up and let you guys see how far how it looks. You guys can see. So if you want to wear it as a shoulder bag like so, it'll stop like right here. If you just want to wear it on your shoulder, hold on, let me sit y'all back some so y'all can see. So if you want to wear it on your shoulder, wear it as a shoulder bag. This is how long it goes. If you want to wear it cross-body, you can. You know, if you want to be hands-free. If you're out shopping or, you know, running errands and you don't really want to tote the actual bag, you want to, you know, wear it cross-body, you have the ability to do that. Let me just show you guys up close. If you can adjust the strap as well, make it longer. You guys see that? All right, so if you decide to wear it crossbody, you can. I probably won't wear it crossbody because I like mine to hang a little bit lower. But if you're a little bit thinner than me, if you don't have a lot of chest, then it might hang a little bit lower to you. But for me, I would probably not wear it crossbody. I'd probably just wear it as a tote. However, It's very versatile. But yeah, I love my newest addition, you guys. So again, let me give you a close-up on how it looks. Doesn't this look good, you guys? Can we appreciate the feet? Can we appreciate the feet on here? You guys see that? This is the back of the bag, and this is the front. This color says, call security. Security, security. Y'all, I am loving this bag. So like I said, you guys, shout out again to
Tote
for sponsoring today's video. You guys, make sure you check out the description box below for all of the details. Check them out on all of their social medias. Make sure you use my discount code to go over and purchase you a good, nice luxury bag. And she is going to be well put to use, you guys. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed today's unboxing of my newest addition to my purse family. I absolutely love her. She is so adorable, isn't she? Put it in the comments. So adorable if you made it this far in the video. All right, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to check the description box below for all of the company's social media handles, as well as use my discount code, which will be also in the bottom of the video or the description box. And if you enjoyed today's video, if you like the essence of today's video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'd be more than happy to have you become part of my lovely family, okay? We keep it real over here, and all we do is win. All we do is win, y'all. That's all we do. All we do is win. All right, I love you guys with the love of Christ, and I will talk to you guys on my next video, whenever that may be.
Lord, it's the Better Right remix. Whoa, listen. Tonight is